Show me real quick. All right, y'all. For try to attempt to get him a bath outside. We had to put his leash on the table lid, keep him from running. So let me get started so I don't hold y'all too long. Put some of this soap on here. This is the soap I'm using. I got from the pet store. Yeah, the reason we give him a bath, I had gave him some that damn stuff in his food, and I think they got him shitting. He shitted like 3 times in his cage, so I'm not giving him that stuff no more. So, and plus, it was due time for him to get one anyway. So I'm trying to get him real good. Like if I give him a bath in the house, he be all on me, but he getting a little bit too big for that sink in the laundry room. So doing it out here today. Get under them armpits real good. He's being kind of calm now, but he'll jump out. Let me get this little scrub brush thing. Yeah, he's snoring like a hog. I keep telling him he not no swine. Stop all that damn snoring. Water might be a little too cold for him, but we got him in. Now this little dude be trying to attack the water hose when it's off. But when it's on, he don't have nothing to do with it. Not nothing. Yeah, getting his face real good. As y'all can see, y'all see he a big boy already. He just turned 4 months yesterday on the 2nd. Big boy, 4 months. Gonna be ready once the nuts drop. Y'all better start paying attention to him. Better start paying attention to Ghosty Ghost. Let me get his back leg. Back foot, I mean. Sure, I might cut his nails today. He's growing back fast. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna attempt to spray him down. I'm gonna let my son, my cameraman, kind of hold him so he don't move. Hold on with your one arm a little bit. Just keep him right up in there. It ain't gonna take that long. See if we got the spray. Spray his little booty. He's just over that booty. I'm gonna make sure I get that little boom boom. Y'all see how I'm doing it. Shit, you ain't gotta go to no pet smart or nothing. Wash your dog. You're right there in your backyard. See? How we doing it. Let me get his face. I see a lot of the guys on YouTube doing it. Okay, that shit, let me try it. Shit. Instead of doing it in the crib, it's nice and hot outside today anyway. Nice and hot out. Hold this joker. He's gonna be an armpit, baby.
He trying to jump. He trying to jump.
Keep outdoors. I'm finna dry him off with a little dry off towel. And then it is what it is. Alright. That's about it. I'll take them out. Now I'm gonna dry them off. Now usually if I'm in the house, I usually pick them up and dry them off with the towel. But we outside now. Yeah, like I say, man, take care of y'all pets. Y'all dogs, man, treat y'all people like y'all pets like family. Like y'all kids. You feel me? Shit. Y'all know how it is growing up. God damn it. Water and shit, lights off at the crib. Nah, we ain't doing that. We ain't putting nobody on no chain outside. You dig? Hell no. We gonna treat them like one of the kids. Now on that note, like and subscribe to the channel. We out.